My repeat customer recently inherited a house that had been abandoned for 2 years. And when she moved in, she discovered the old plumbing pipes were in a bad shape. Feeling overwhelmed, she reached out to me. That's when I came over and recommended to restoring those pipes with epoxy coating. A total game changer. We are bringing in all the necessary equipment and removing the toilet to begin work on the main line. First, we shave away the excess corrosion and flush out the debris out the pipe to prep them. This method is perfect for her budget because it avoids tearing up the house floor and costly repairs, restoring the main line without any major renovations. After thoroughly prepping the pipes, we applied 2 layers of epoxy, 3 if needed, depending on the severity of the pipe. This durable barrier not only seals up cracks, but also smooths out the interior, improving flow and reducing clogs. In just a few hours, her plumbing was revitalized, and she could finally settle into her new home without worrying about those pipes underground. If you're in a similar situation, epoxy coating could be just the solution you need to bring your plumbing back to life without breaking the bank. Look how beautiful and smooth the epoxy has coated the pipe. It's ready to be back in service in just 45 minutes. At our company, we take immense pride in our work and truly love what we do. Every project is an opportunity for us to showcase our skills and dedication. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to help us continue sharing our passion and expertise with you. Call Root or Guard if you need plumbing help in Los Angeles.